Question 3. So let's look at the information that we're told here. Right, it tells me something about the area of the sector. So that's clearly, we're going to clearly need that at some point. So let's just write down information that we're told there. So the area is equal to, now you should know, so pi r squared, that's the area of the circle, isn't it? So if we're working in radians, it's that multiplied by theta over 2 pi. And we know that that happens to equal 11. Okay, well it's not that helpful at the moment because there's bits in there we don't know. All right, we could multiply by 2, we can divide out by pi. So we can tidy it up a little bit. Right, we can write theta r squared equals 22. All right, that's probably as far as we can really go with that at the moment. Right, now then, it does tell me, given that the perimeter of the sector, right, the perimeter, let's write down an expression for the perimeter. So the perimeter will be equal to r plus r, so it's 2r, plus, now an arc, should know, is theta r. And we know that it mentions, given that the perimeter of the circle is 4 times the length of the arc. Well, the arc we just said that's theta r. So therefore we can say that the perimeter is equal to 4 times the arc. Now let's have a little play with this. So if we take away theta r from both sides, we get 2r equals 3 theta r, and then divide both sides by 2 and divide by 3, and then we can say that theta equals 2/3. Okay, so let's go back now, and we can now, if we know that theta is equal to 2/3, if you remember what we had here, let's just go and pop that in there, and then we can find out what r is. So if we rewrite that, we've got 2/3 r squared equals 22. Divide by 2 multiplied by 3, so r squared equals 33. So therefore r must equal the square root of 33. It's not plus or minus, r has to be a positive, so I don't need to put plus minus in there. There you are, answer.